All right, everyone. Welcome to my room at the Canopy by Hilton in Washington, D.C., Embassy Row. So far, I'm having a really nice stay here. I find the hotel very eco-friendly compared to most of the hotels I've stayed in the US. So I'm really excited to share with you some sustainability features and also the overall hotel. So first, we have the room. It's very nicely laid out. There's some pretty wallpaper of, pretty tile design. We have a nice smart thermostat that actually works, which is great. Some really lovely storage space and wooden hangers and hooks for your luggage, which is all really nice. Moving on, we have some really good plug situations with USB chargers that actually really work pretty fast. And regular outlets. I love a smart desk. TV here, very nice TV. A cool eco feature is that their cards are actually made of wood and not plastic. So you can see here that you have some really neat wood cards, which I think is really fun. The only other place I've seen do this is the Malia in Portugal. So I'm super excited with that. Next, a really great sustainability feature is they have a Nespresso machine with aluminum capsules instead of disposable K-cups or other disposable filter pouches. We have our Nespresso machine, and I love that they give you real ceramic mugs. This is a huge upgrade to the paper cups you get in most American hotels. We also have some lovely water glasses that appear to be cut from the bottom of a wine bottle, so reused, which is really nice. I love having glasses instead of the usual plastic cup. So as you see here, another nice eco feature is you can get fresh air. So you can actually open the sliding doors of this little Juliet balcony and get some fresh air in the room, which I really appreciate because especially on a nice temperate day like this, it's really nice to have some fresh air. And here you can see some really nice views of Washington, D.C.'s Embassy Row and a nice roundabout with some beautiful greenery and a statue in the center. So really lovely view over here. We have a lovely Daniel Webster, a little triangle with his statue. So that's very nice. Here we have Thomas Jefferson in the room. I really like this contemporary art with Jefferson. He has one of my favorite quotes, which is, "I find the harder I work, the better the luck I have." I love that quote. So here we have a nice smart alarm clock with a wireless charger. So if you do have any wireless charging devices, you can pop them right there with more USB ports and an alarm. Like that. The bed is very comfy, and overall I would give this room a 10 out of 10. We also have in the bathroom, we have reusable, refillable toiletries. So we have hand wash, lotion, shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, all in refillable pump bottles, which is great to see. And I want to take you in the hallway and show you another cool feature. So when I checked in, they said they had a refillable water station in the hallway, which I was really excited about because you know I love refillable water. So let's go check it out. I did want to show you on my way to the water station how beautiful the hallway is. There's this gorgeous bronze 5, we're on the 5th floor, and some local art, which I really love. Now I'm going to take you to the water filling station. So here is our lovely water filling station. As I said, when I checked in, they let me know that there was a refillable filtered water station on every floor, along with the ice maker, which I absolutely love this. So you can bring your bottle or the glasses, or I brought the Nespresso carafe to fill up with filtered water. You can just put your bottle or whatever you like in here. Then just press the button for water. You just press the button for water and it refills your bottle. Really cool. It totally cuts down on any single-use water bottles or cartons, so I love that. Alright, so here's the restaurant. There's a really pretty fireplace. And here's the view out the window. Some really nice flowers. And this is the restaurant. A lot of comfy seating everywhere and really beautiful decor. Here's breakfast. I got an egg white omelet with salad and potatoes and grapefruit juice. Really beautiful view.